Eyes on the door, feet on the floor. Eyes on the door, feet on the floor. Wave your hands and say no more. Wave your hands and say no more. Say no more, say no more. Say no more, say no more. But listen more, listen more. Listen more, listen more. Hello little champs. How are you all? I hope you must be enjoying your learning sessions. I am Meenakshi ma'am and today I have come with a very interesting activity on reading. Children, do you know reading is very important for us. It enhances our listening skills, our comprehension and our language. So are you all ready? Let's start. Some noise is coming. Who is making noise? Let me find out. Jimmy, you naughty boy. What are you doing here?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jimmy.
How are you, ma'am?
I am very fine. How are you?
I'm also fine, ma'am.
But tell me, what are you doing here, Jimmy?
Ma'am, I want to do the activity.
Okay, you want to do the activity? But this activity is about reading activity. Do you do the reading practice at home?
Yes, ma'am. I daily revise the reading of A and E sound words.
Very good, Jimmy. I am so happy. But let me check how well you can read. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I'm so excited to do the activity.
But before starting the activity, say hello to your friends.
Hello, everyone.
And Jimmy, in this activity, I have picture cards. And I will take out the picture cards one by one. And you have to recognize the picture and tell me the correct word. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I have your pointer also.
Oh wow, your pointer is so nice.
Thank you.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Focus, focus. Everybody, focus. Here is your first picture. Can you recognize it?
Yes, ma'am. It is a hen.
Oh, well done. Very good, Jimmy. You are very intelligent. But you have to tell me the right word. Now search the right word for hen.
Hen starts with. This is the word. Hen.
Is this hen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now you tell us whether Jimmy is right or wrong. Jimmy is right. Well done, Jimmy. Very good. Now, let us match the hen with the word.
Oh, which is the next picture, ma'am? Tell me which is the next picture.
Are you ready for the next picture?
Yes.
Okay. Now repeat with me. Focus, focus. Everybody, focus. Now here is the next picture.
Ma'am, this is a net.
Oh wow, well done, very good. Now you have to tell me where is the word net.
Yes, ma'am, I will search for it. Net, no, net, net, net. Ma'am, this is net.
Now children, tell me whether Jimmy is right or wrong. Yes, Jimmy is right. Bravo, Jimmy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now let us match the net with the word net. Okay, are you ready for the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Now repeat with me. Focus, focus. Everybody, focus. Now here's the next picture.
Ma'am, this is an elf.
Well done, Jimmy. Now you have to tell me where is the word elf.
Oh, I will search it, ma'am. I think this is the word elf.
Children, tell me whether Jimmy is right or wrong. Yes, Jimmy is wrong.
Oh.
Jimmy, I'm giving you the one more chance. Once again, you just search.
Yes, ma'am. Elf begins with the sound E. Oh, ma'am, this is the word elf.
Bravo, Jimmy, bravo.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I will read it. Elf. Elf.
Well done.
Thank you. Which is the next word? Which is the next word? Oh, I'm so excited.
Now, Jimmy, are you ready for the next picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Now repeat with ma'am. Hocus pocus. Everybody focus. Ding ding. Here is the next picture.
Oh, I know this, ma'am. You check our work with this.
Yes, but tell me the name of the picture.
Ma'am, this is a pen.
Wow, very good. Now you search the word pen.
Pen begins with the sound P. Pen.
Well done, Jimmy. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Jimmy, did you enjoy the activity?
Oh, yes, ma'am. I loved it.
Well done, Jimmy. Now I know that you do the reading practice every day. Children, like Jimmy, you also practice reading daily.